going on YouTube, man? Welcome in, family. Okay, so right now I am rocking my Aragon Millipede Evo, right? And you see the time. You see what time it is. I have to be at work in about 20 minutes. And I'm sitting down to breakfast, just trying to get something quick to eat. But I couldn't wait to open this. So before I open it, let me just tell you what it was. I know as watch collectors, we have these criteria of what we want to get, and let's say I kill two birds with one stone. I've never bought anything off of Mark's website, and that is Islander watches, right? Long Island. And I've always wanted a Phoibos since I've seen it, right? Y'all saw the thumbnail, right? Your boy finally got one. So this is a special one. This is actually a collab. And man, let me just get into it.
Round one, fight.
Okay, so opening something new is always exciting, and I really like that packaging. Hard box. It's almost like carbon fiber, but it's not. It's vinyl or something. Suitcase material. Okay, y'all ready? Let's get it.
Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it.
Okay, so about a week and a half ago, maybe a week ago. Yeah, a week and a half, whatever. Mark from Long Island Watches was, he was on YouTube, right? Watching him do his thing. He's introducing this thing, and he was talking about his partnership with Phoibos, them reaching out to him. And let me just say this. I was impressed because, I love purple, and I like color. I like dive watches, and I like the way Phoibos does their thing. And I've never bought from, let me say, not a micro brand, but the enthusiast brand. If y'all seen the video, y'all know what I'm talking about. Now, this thing has two elements. Now, this, I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna tell you the like, looking at it, y'all see that texture? Purple sand. That is purple sand, dude. That is so crazy. So this thing has the elements that I like, right? So basically, dive watch. And hold up, I gotta do the test. Ooh, well, that feels good. That really feels good. Oh, wow. Okay, so you guys know that Mark and TGV from Urban Gentry, they do their thing together, man. They do videos. They cover watches. They talk about the top divers and things of that nature. Now, Phoibos is one of those where, you know, I don't know how the community is. I'm not a part of the Phoibos community, but it falls in line with the rest of the micro brands. But this one was exciting because, one, Mark, I actually like his show, man. I like the watches he put out. But this thing has two elements, right? So that orange hand, that reminds me of the Squale, right? Squale, I believe, was the first company to utilize that orange hand. And then on the dial, it's sandwiched Panerai vibes. Come on, man. Y'all know I like, these are watches that I dig, man. And then you have on the back that Phoibos octopus, or in what I call the Hydra. But this is so dope, man. So you have the Islander logo, well, actually the script down there, and then you have the Phoibos up top. So you have two logos, two companies, one watch. There's a lot of brushing and stuff on here, man. The bracelet, it looks amazing. But I just wanted to bring this to y'all this morning. Well, it'll be evening by the time you guys are seeing this. But man, I am really digging this. I'm excited. I had to do it for, I just couldn't hold it, y'all. I was gonna do it at home, but I had to unbox it on my way to work, getting me some breakfast. So there you have it, man. I'll do a more in-depth walkthrough, but my food is about to come out, and I brought my sizing kit with me, man. I'm wearing this today. All right, y'all. Let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know. Do y'all like it? Y'all feeling this watch, man? I think it's. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna have to go. I'll come back and tell y'all more about it, man. So I hope you guys have a great day, man. Be blessed and all that good stuff, man. See y'all later.